Mammoths are among the most iconic prehistoric creatures, known for their massive size and impressive tusks. Here's a detailed look at these fascinating animals. General information: scientific name, genus Mammuthus family, Elephantidae order, Proboscidea, temporal range, from the late Pliocene epoch, around 5 million years ago, to the Holocene epoch, around 4,000 years ago. Physical characteristics: size, height. Most species were around 9-11 feet, 2.7–3.4 meters, tall at the shoulder, though the largest species, such as the Imperial mammoth, could reach heights of up to 14 feet, 4.2 meters. Weight: they weighed between 5 to 10 tons, 4,500 to 9,000 kilograms. Tusks: long, curved tusks that could reach up to 15 feet, 4.5 meters, in length in some species. Tusks were used for foraging, fighting, and manipulating objects. Body: covered with long, shaggy hair to insulate against the cold. They had a layer of fat, up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters, thick under their skin for added warmth. Teeth: large molars with ridged surfaces to grind down tough vegetation like grass, leaves, and shrubs. Species: woolly mammoth, Mammuthus primigenius. The most well-known species, adapted to cold environments, lived in the northern parts of North America, Europe, and Asia. Imperial mammoth, Mammuthus imperator. One of the largest mammoth species found in North America. Columbian mammoth, Mammuthus columbi. Roamed the southern parts of North America, from Canada to Nicaragua. Habitat and range. Habitat: mammoths lived in a variety of environments, from the cold tundras of Siberia and North America to the temperate regions of Europe and Asia. They were well adapted to both glacial and interglacial periods. Range: their range was extensive, covering North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Different species occupied different regions and habitats. Behavior and diet: herbivorous. Mammoths primarily fed on grasses, but their diet also included shrubs, herbs, and tree bark. They had to consume large quantities of food daily to sustain their massive bodies. Social structure: likely lived in family groups similar to modern elephants, with matriarchal leadership. Herds provided protection and facilitated social interactions. Migration: some species, like the woolly mammoth, migrated seasonally to find food in more favorable climates. Fossil discoveries. First discoveries: mammoth fossils have been discovered for centuries, often misidentified as the remains of giants or other mythical creatures. Notable finds: the Borisovka mammoth, found in Siberia, was almost perfectly preserved in permafrost, providing detailed insights into mammoth anatomy and diet. The Yukagir mammoth, also from Siberia, is another well-preserved specimen that has helped scientists study mammoth biology and ecology. Extinction timeline. Most mammoth species went extinct around 10,000 years ago at the end of the last ice age. However, small populations of woolly mammoths survived on isolated islands, such as Wrangel Island, until about 4,000 years ago. Causes: the extinction of mammoths is attributed to a combination of climate change, which led to habitat loss, and overhunting by early humans. The warming climate at the end of the Pleistocene epoch resulted in the disappearance of the mammoth's preferred grassland habitats. Modern significance. Paleontology: mammoth remains, especially those preserved in permafrost, have provided valuable information about Pleistocene ecosystems and the effects of climate change. DNA research. Advances in genetic research have enabled scientists to sequence mammoth DNA, leading to discussions about de-extinction and the possibility of bringing mammoths back through cloning or genetic engineering. Popular culture representation. Mammoths have captured the human imagination and appear frequently in literature, films, and art. They are often depicted as symbols of the Ice Age and ancient megafauna. Education and museums. Mammoth fossils and replicas are popular exhibits in natural history museums around the world, educating the public about these incredible creatures. Fun facts. Mammoth ivory was used by ancient humans to create tools, art, and even structures. Mammoths had a lifespan similar to modern elephants, living up to 60 years. Despite their size, mammoths were not the largest land mammals. The steppe mammoth, Mammuthus trogontheri, holds the title for the largest tusks of any Proboscidean. Research and controversies. De-extinction. There is ongoing debate about the ethics and feasibility of using genetic engineering to bring mammoths back to life. Some scientists believe it could help restore Arctic habitats by reintroducing mammoth-like creatures, while others argue it could have unforeseen ecological consequences. Climate studies. The study of mammoth extinctions has provided insights into how large mammals respond to rapid climate changes, which is relevant for understanding current and future biodiversity challenges.